Tepco is making multi-pronged efforts to address the water issues at Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power station. Here, we would like to explain the differences between the two similar measures employed to build walls, by freezing water or soil. First, work is going on to remove contaminated water from the trench, or underground tunnel. This underground tunnel houses pipes and cables which lead from the reactor facilities to the seaside area. The trench contains radioactive water which has flowed from the reactor facilities since the accident. To remove this water, an ice wall is built at the gateway of the water between the building and the trench. This is done by cooling the location via pipes which carry coolant and are insulated with nylon bags called packers. As freezing is not progressing as expected, workers are dedicated to accelerating the freezing process by installing additional coolant pipes and adding ice to the trench water to lower its temperature. Once the wall has been successfully frozen in place, removal of the stagnant contaminated water is expected to take 3 to 4 months. The second is a key measure to prevent groundwater at Fukushima Daiichi from being contaminated by building a massive underground wall surrounding the nuclear facilities. The landside impermeable frozen soil wall, the so-called ice wall, is a system that freezes the ground below and around the 4 reactor units. Unlike the trench, where the challenge is to freeze flowing water into ice, the ice wall uses a proven technology to freeze the surrounding soil, which is, in turn, expected to prevent groundwater from reaching the basements of the reactor buildings. The technology has been used successfully in many construction sites in Japan, especially those involving road and railway tunnels, to keep groundwater out during construction. Removal of the contaminated water from the trench is scheduled to be completed in January 2015. Work on the ice wall is proceeding toward the start of the freezing operation in March 2015. We will continue the decommissioning work steadily and with safety as our highest priority, minimizing the concern of the residents and broader society.